from there.
We meet again, Durlap. Hello. Never thought it would come to this.
Me neither.
Shall we do?
Fine. Get ready to die.
Oh! Stop! I'll kill him.
What?
You will not kill him.
What?
You will not kill him.
What the hell are you doing?
You will not kill him.
Screw this.
Stop! If you kill me or him, 1 million of gummy bears will come, and it's madness. Madness, I say! Madness!
All this just if I kill him?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Yes. Yes.
What?
Yes. I've got the power! What?
What did he say?
I said I have the power. Can't you guys hear? Say?
What?
Alright, let's just do this whole fight scene.
Whatever. Wait, what?
Keep going.
Yeah.